Do you support Cockroach Janata Party?
हाँ बिल्कुल I definitely support Cockroach Janata Party.
Why?
No, because I feel like it's a bit different than the regular parties we have in our India. And usually हमारे पास option नहीं रहता या तो हम बीजेपी को या कांग्रेस को support करते हैं. But I think this is different. It has a very different kind of youth with it, and the motive it has, I think it's gonna do something better compared to the traditional parties we have in our country.
But many people say that it is a propaganda. What do you think about that?
I think सब कुछ पहले propaganda से start होता है, and then it takes a page, it takes a stance for it. So I think अभी बहुत early है बोलना, but I think I will support because it carries a true youth mindset, youth problems which we face. So I think that's very much better than Congress and BJP. Both are very corrupt.
Okay भाई, तो आपके जैसे काफी यंग लोग ये पार्टी को फॉलो कर रहे हैं. Why is that?
I think the very main reason is हम जब कहीं वोट देने जाते हैं ना, या तो बीजेपी के जाते हैं, बीजेपी एक रिलीजियस एजेंडा लेके जाती है, कांग्रेस एक कम्प्लीटली कास्टिज्म कास्ट रिलेटेड रिजर्वेशन रिलेटेड लेके जाती है, और मैं पर्सनली दोनों को एग्री नहीं करता. मेरे हिसाब से ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. एंड आई थिंक कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट आइडियोलॉजी. हमें एग्जैक्टली पता नहीं है क्या आइडियोलॉजी से स्टार्ट होने वाली है या नहीं, बट आई थिंक इट्स गोना बी कंप्लीट डिफरेंट. वो सेम चीज़ें वही रेगुलर पॉलिटिक्स वही रेगुलर चीज़ें पे नहीं करने वाली, कुछ नया लेके आएंगे. I think this Naya is gonna be very good.
अच्छा भाई, what was your first reaction when you heard about the Cockroach Janata Party?
So, firstly, when I heard about it, like I just recalled that Nepali Gen Z type of movement and all. So, finally, I thought maybe our Gen Z woke up, so they are starting revolution. वैसा सोचा था.
So many people say that it's a propaganda. उसके बारे में आप क्या बोलना?
So, there are few things where people are thinking about it. Like already, Raghav Chetta jumped from this party to BJP, right?
Yes.
So maybe the Cockroach Janata Party का जो leader है वो भी maybe seeing for some opportunity in some Congress or something like that. बोल के वो talks आ रही है, but it's better to do something than nothing.
That's good भाई. So what does the popularity of Cockroach Janata Party tell us about today's youth?
About that, like people are being very active on social medias and they wanted to raise a voice, but at the end of the day, government doesn't promote what do they say, opposition for it. So probably still youth is getting addicted to it and they may raise their voice too.
Why do meme pages like Cockroach Janata Party grow faster than the educational pages?
It's because we Gen Z most likely support them, not because of कि वो Gen Z है. It's because of कि they understand us more than the education system. I myself am a medico, so I have cleared my NEET in 2025. We all know that I wrote NEET in 2024. The paper वहाँ पे भी लीक हुआ था. But then जब वहाँ पे लीक हुआ, no one questioned it. और वो भी मास लीक हुआ था. मास लीक पे they didn't held NEET. अब मैं 2025 I took a drop. I wrote NEET and then alhamdulillah I got seat. But then I feel so bad for my juniors. That 2026 में उन लोग को they have to write re-NEET just because for few students कि एक ऐसी सिस्टम शुड नॉट बी दिस वे. इट शुड बी नॉट दिस मच स्पाइनलेस कि आप थोड़े पीपल का लीक हो गया तो यू कांट जस्ट मेक द होल 22 लाख स्टूडेंट्स राइट अगेन.
इट्स ब्यूटीफुल भाई. एंड और एक क्वेश्चन कि बहुत से लोग ये सीजेपी को प्रोपेगेंडा बोल रहे हैं. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दैट?
I don't think that is more of propaganda here because अब यहाँ पे तो everyone has to come up with their opinions most likely. And it is us youth जिसके हाथ में है ये country. I've been like this is my last teenage year, and as I can see you are adult than me, so I think it is high time that we get हम ही ये role play करना चाहिए most likely.
That's wonderful bhai. Thank you so much. If Cockroach Janata Party became real political party, would the youth support it?
Yes, of course, because most of the youth are fighting for that. Chief Minister said that we are the cockroaches, the Gen Z is the cockroaches. So mostly they will support. Also we can see the result that in 72 hours we got 12,000 people in the party. So it will be helpful maybe.
Okay.
I believe this is the new revolution we are waiting since since our independence, like BJP Congress. Now we have created our own party. Maybe in future we'll get some new revolutions.
What does the popularity of the Cockroach Janata Party tell about the today's youth?
Like how much we are desperate of being. We want independence. Like we are independent, but not actually independent.
Okay.
Mostly Gen Z people, so many people started judging it. Maybe this party might tell about the Gen Z what they are enjoying and like what they want to. That's
अच्छा भाई, आप कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी को सपोर्ट करते हो या नहीं?
भाई मैंने भी उनको आज ही फॉलो किया, क्योंकि उन कोई वकील ने उनको एक आम नागरिक को कॉकरोच बोला तो उसको दिमाग में क्या ही सन की घुसा, तो उसने एक अलग ही पार्टी बना दिया और ये कल से ही ट्रेंड में चल रहा है। तो मैंने उसका पेज देखा, 1 मिलियन प्लस फॉलोअर्स है उसके, तो मैंने भी उसको फॉलो किया।
बट बहुत से लोग बोल रहे हैं कि ये प्रोपागेंडा है, क्या वो सच है?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। अब लोगों ज़्यादातर तो सोशल मीडिया पर नेगेटिव ही फैलाते हैं, लेकिन CGP जो पार्टी है अच्छी लगी देखने में, कांग्रेस की तरह ही बातचीत करती है ये भी।
ओके भाई,
हाँ।
थैंक यू सो मच भाई।